Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Dodge Avenger. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery to prevent electrical shorts. Next, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. Never rely solely on a jack. You will need a 3/8-inch drive metric socket set, various metric wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool for this job. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to the removal process. First, you'll need to remove the passenger front wheel and then peel back the inner fender well to gain access. Next, use your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from all pulleys. Locate and disconnect the electrical connectors and the main power feed, typically a 12mm or 13mm nut, from the alternator. Finally, unbolt the AC compressor, usually 3 13mm bolts, and gently move it out of the way, ensuring not to disconnect any refrigerant lines. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully maneuver the new alternator into position and loosely install the lower mounting bolt. Then, install the upper mounting bolt. Once both are in place, tighten the alternator's upper and lower mounting fasteners to 40 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power feed wire, securing it with its nut, and then plug in the field wire electrical connector, ensuring the locking tab engages. Finally, reinstall the AC compressor, tightening its 3 mounting fasteners to 18 foot-pounds. We're almost done. Reinstall the idler pulley, tightening it securely, and then route the serpentine belt correctly around all pulleys. Reattach the inner fender well and the passenger front wheel, torquing the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Carefully lower your vehicle. Reconnect the negative battery cable. To test your new alternator, start the engine and use a multimeter to check the voltage across your battery terminals. A healthy charging system should show a reading between 13.2 and 14.8 volts. Congratulations, you've replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.